Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Get this straightened out. I'm Danny and this is my channel 12 Again Sports and Outdoors, and we're going to try and do a video today outdoors. We're actually going to try and get outside, and I want you to take a look at something. I want you to see what I'm seeing here. Let me turn this around. Alright, so this is our backyard here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. It's my 20x40 in-ground pool we had put in a couple years ago. And I'm actually going to come over here and sit down at the patio and see if we can't do a pack rip outdoors. I don't know that this is going to work because of the wind. Lots of sunshine, but we're going to give it a go. We're going to use the pool there as a backdrop. I think you can see the diving board back there. I'm going to put my sunglasses on. And I know there's going to be wind noise on this, but we're going to give it a shot. So all we're doing is opening a pharmacy box, and the cool part is it's got a Mookie Betts card on there, which I'm pretty stoked about. Now again, when I open these, I look for the seam, press down, I rupture the seam like that, and I'm able to pull all the cards out. It looks like I got all of them but the Mookie Betts. Alright, so I'm probably going to have to hold on to these guys pretty close. Looks like our pack is 2017 opening day. So we'll set that down. And I'm going to set these cards back here to the side so that they don't blow away on me. And looks like they're going to be all over the place. And so let's get into it and see what we have. We got a Joe Smith, the Angels, Travis Shaw. Got some newer stuff here. Anthony Descalfani, something like that. Josh Reddick. It's a pretty cool card. Robbing somebody of a home run. Taylor Jungmann, Future Stars card. I'm going to put these back in the box. Maybe it'll keep the box from blowing away. We got a Andy Bennis. We got a Fred McGriff, Crime Dog, 91 Upper Deck. Pretty cool. Let's flip these over. We got a Bill Spears. These back-to-back cards always make me nervous because a lot of times it's the same one. Steve Wilson. There's Pudge. So that's pretty neat. Again, I'm going to toss these into the box. Add some weight to it. There's a Dante Bichette. And an Adam Kennedy. Todd Hollingsworth. Randy Moffett. Looks like an 81 Donruss in rough shape. Todd Worrell. There's a, is that 85 Topps? Jim Fanning. Chad Fonville, Bud Black. Not seeing a whole lot here of any note. There's a 1981 Topps of Jason Thompson. Denny Hawking. John Denny, got an 86 Topps there. I know the wind noise is probably going to be rough. Adam Davis. There's a Dave Stewart. There's a Griffey Jr. That's cool. I actually didn't have that card. It looks like 94 Upper Deck. So that's cool. We'll box in. Scott Sprick. Looks like a minor league card. Let's spin these over. Might be a little better. Gary Scott. Greg Colburn. Aurelio Rodriguez. A couple cards stuck together there. Chris Bosio. Sterling Hitchcock. Another old card. Gene Richards. Bert Campaneris. Andy Ashby. Dave Smith. Bill Long in Hawaii somewhere. Junior Ortiz, Tony Pena, Wes Chamberlain prospect card. I remember that was, well, he's not a prospect there, but I remember he was a hot prospect. Dave Ford, 81 Topps. Jeff Hamilton, Chris Bosio. Not a whole lot going on in there. Alright, we'll pick this whole pile up right here and see if we can't. Maybe we can. Well, it looks like the majority of them are going the correct way. Except these right here. Oh, I see a card that's going to be a note. At least for a friend. And Orlando Merced. Goodness, guys, this is terrible about these boxes. Tyler Duffy, rookie card. That's pretty cool. There's that one right there. There's a Jose Abreu. A Steven Strasburg, which is pretty cool. Getting down on that pitch right there. Jose Bautista doing his bat flip. James Shields. Mike Stanley. Greg Vaughn. I can remember when he was a somebody. John Wetland. Joe Carter. It's a pretty cool Joe Carter. Chad Kruger. Randy Bush. Kevin Tapani. There's an Eric Davis in a Dodgers uniform. Let's flip that around. Looking all silly. Bob Malacky. Bill Kruger. Ron Kittle in the 87 Topps. Bunch of commons. Commons. Greg Olson. Tommy John. Alright, let's put that up. Bob Boone. Ken Schramm. Eddie Murray. That's cool. Just a bunch of commons. Devin White, I remember when he was a kind of a prospect. Dennis Lamp. There's a Doc Gooden. That's cool. From 86 Topps. Going through here, just not seeing a whole lot. Shane Andrews, #1 draft pick. His shirt says Caveman. QB Brooks. Keith Miller. Alright, so there's our Mookie Betts. Proud of that one. I'll hang on to that one. That's a 2016 card, so definitely hang on to that one. And a Garrett Cole. Alright, so having said that, this is our 2017 opening day. Most of the opening days I open are for 2018. So we'll do a video on, or a rip on this real quick. And then call it a day. I'm going to put this one in my pocket. Let it blow away. Alright, I got a Victor Martinez, Detroit. Brian McCann. Joe Mauer. Andrew Benintendi. That's a rookie card. I like that one. Glad to pull that. There's the Redbird. Jose Bautista. And a Yu Darvish. Alright, so that's going to cut it right there. Like I said, showcasing my pool a little bit. Sitting outside. We're going to try and do some more stuff. I actually fish in my pool a little bit. I actually practice flipping and pitching and stuff. So maybe we'll do some videos of that this summer. And we have plans to build an outdoor building on that side of the pool over there. Alright, it'll be like an outdoor cabana, covered eating area, something like that. So that's going to make it for today's video, guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope you're having a blessed Sunday. And we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.